Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Western Union money transfer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type Western Union into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Western Union website link in the search results. Once on the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will now be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the Remember Me option. Once you have filled in your email and password, click on the login button to proceed. If you have entered the correct credentials, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email associated with your account. After successfully logging in, you can now access the various services offered by Western Union. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check your internet connection. You can also review the email and password you entered for any errors. This concludes the login process for Western Union money transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.